Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I have a very unique video for you. We're going to be actually using the chatbot ChatGPT to write a 5-minute review on the Elgato Keylights. So this is ChatGPT. If you've never heard of it, chatbot AI powered that's going to be able to create so many different things for you. And in this case, we created this script right here, which is supposed to be 5 minutes. And basically, we're going to read out that entire script, which I've already done. You can see here in Final Cut Pro. And then I'm going to slap on some overlay clips like this just to make it look more professional, more fancy, and all that good stuff. So let me know in the comments if you think ChatGPT did a good job of this review, or if it sounds robotic, or if you prefer a human giving sort of their take and opinion on the product they're reviewing. Let's get started. The Elgato Keylights are a set of professional-grade LED lights designed for content creators and streamers. These lights offer a range of customizable features that allow users to create perfect lighting setups for their videos and live streams. In this review, we'll take a closer look into the Elgato Keylights and evaluate their performance and features. The Elgato Keylights have a sleek and modern design that fits well in any creator's workspace. They feature a compact rectangular shape and a metal base that keeps them stable and secure on your desk. The lights themselves are made from high quality materials and feel durable and well built. One notable design feature is the built-in diffuser, which can help create a soft, even light that is ideal for video production. Additionally, the lights are highly adjustable and can be angled to the perfect position for your needs. The overall design and build quality of the Elgato Keylights are top-notch and make them an excellent addition to any content creator's setup. One of the standout features of the Elgato Keylights is their high level of customization. The lights can be adjusted to a range of different color temperatures from a warm 2900 to a cool 7000. This range allows for a variety of lighting setups and makes it easy to create the perfect atmosphere for your content. In addition to color temperature, the Elgato Keylights also offer adjustable brightness levels. They can be dimmed down to just 1% brightness, making them ideal for low light environments or for creating a specific mood. The Elgato Keylights are designed to be easy to set up and use even for those who are new to lighting setups. They can be controlled using the Elgato Control Center software, which is available for both Mac and Windows, and also has an app that you can use on your phone. The software is intuitive and straightforward, and it offers a range of different features for customizing your lighting setup. The Elgato Keylights perform exceptionally well, offering bright and even lighting that is perfect for video production. The lights are flicker-free and produce a high-quality light that is free from any unwanted color casts or distortions. One potential drawback of the Elgato Keylights is their price point. They are relatively expensive compared to other LED lights on the market, which may be a barrier for some content creators. However, given their high level of customization and professional grade performance, the price is justified for those who are serious about producing high quality content. So that was ChatGPT's review of the Elgato Keylights. You guys let me know once again in the comments if you think it did a good job, or if you prefer a human, or if you even think that people should be doing this. And if they are using a chatbot to create their scripts, should they be upfront and let you know, so that way you know this review isn't actually by a creator, but by an AI chatbot. Personally, I'm on the fence about this. I don't know if it's good or bad. I mean, I don't want to take away creation abilities from people by giving somebody an automated system and then they can create videos and take over without even really being good at something. But again, it does help. And I mean, it gave me some ideas if I was going to create this review, so I'd probably use pieces of that script. But anyway, apologize for the camera work right now. This whole video and my previous two videos have been filmed with my iPhone 13 Pro. Both my cameras and my iPhone 14 Pro are giving me troubles right now, so I'm trying to figure out how to get this content out. But it just goes to show you, you can make content with anything you have. I'm actually filming this with the front-facing camera on the iPad Pro, so we're trying to make it work with what we have. If you enjoyed the video, once again, guys, hit that like button. It does help out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.